Ciao ragazzi, today we have a new special. It's a Monti with clams, shrimp, shiitake and porcini mushrooms served on Paccheri. Let's come and I'll show you how to do it. Let's go. We're going to have a Mari e Monti, mountain and sea. We're gonna do a combination of flavors from the mountains and from the sea. So we're gonna have peeled shrimp, clams, dry porcini mushrooms, shiitake, garlic, cherry tomatoes, fresh parsley, some extra virgin olive oil, and some white wine. So let's start by chopping some garlic. Smash it. Drop some garlic. We're gonna wait until it becomes a little warm and then we're gonna add the clams. All right. A little bit of more olive oil. Some white wine. We're gonna cover it with another pan until the clams opens. Then we're gonna put the clams, we're gonna separate and we're gonna put it on the side and we're gonna cook the rest of the ingredients. So we talked about the porcini mushroom. This one you can buy at the local supermarket. They usually come in a little bag. So you buy this dry and you put them in hot water and you leave them there for about 1 hour. Now we're gonna go and clean the shiitake. All right, our clams are ready. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna remove the clams. Next step, garlic again. Couple of garlic. Boom. Olive oil. This is the next step. You're gonna take this, squeeze them a little bit, and then you cut them. You add your shiitake. What you want to do is you want to take a little bit of the water from this mushroom and you add it here. Look at this. It's time to add the porcini mushroom. More of the water. Add some regular water if you need to. A little bit of salt. And you keep moving and stirring like that. I think we are ready for our shrimp. And we are ready for some fresh tomato as well. Cut some tomato. All right guys, our water is boiling. We're gonna make it taste like the ocean. We're gonna add some salt. All right. Perfecto, perfect. My favorite pasta, this one. All right. Meanwhile, the pasta is cooking. We're gonna kind of finish this sauce here. Add a touch of white wine. All right, so we're gonna saute this a little bit more. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it smells so good. I can smell the mushroom, a little bit of the wine evaporating. Really, really good. Okay, we're gonna cut parsley. Okay guys, our sauce, it's ready. Our pasta is ready, I just tasted. Fantastic. Et voila, guys, ready for the pasta. I'm gonna transfer the pasta here. Look at this pasta, this is amazing. Look at guys, 1, 2, 3, bing, boom, bang. Let all the flavor go inside the pasta. This is fantastic, look at this. You know what I would like to do? Add some extra virgin olive oil, a little bit more. Full of flavor. A good pasta, when you invite your friends, you cook all these things, and your whole house is gonna be full of flavor. Okay, let's plate it. Let's turn the fire off. All right, what I like to do is put the shrimp at the end. Look at this, like that. Look at that. All right, some parsley. And that's our Mare Monti with clams, shrimp, porcini mushroom, and shiitake. A little bit of olive oil. Never bad. All right. Okay, our pasta is ready, and let's do the test. Let's see how it is. Look at the Paccheri, it's beautiful. I can really taste the mushroom and the wood. But now what I'm gonna do, separate this and mix them together. Mix it up. White wine for my friends. Enjoy. This is life. It's beautiful.